Hi friends, welcome to my channel Study Excel. In this video, we discuss some GK questions about world geography. So let's start the video. First question: which one of the following continents lies in northern, southern, and eastern western hemispheres of the earth? The given options are option number 1 Australia, option number 2 Africa, option number 3 Europe, option number 4 South America. The correct answer of this question is option number 2 Africa. Next question. Next question is Sahara is located in which part of Africa? The options are option 1 Eastern, option 2 Western, option 3 Northern, option 4 Southern. The correct answer of this question is option number 3 Northern. Next question. Next question is which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? The options are option 1 Hevea tree Brazil, option 2 Sumatra Malaysia, option 3 Cousin River Borneo, option 4 Decatoba fish Brazil. The correct answer of this question is option number 4 Decatoba fish Brazil. Next question. Next question is the longest river in the world is options are option 1 Ganga, option 2 Nile, option 3 Brahmaputra, option 4 Amazon. The correct answer of this question is option number 2 Nile. Next question. Next question is which of the following cities is the capital of the desert country Mali? Options are option 1 Damascus, option 2 Bamako, option 3 Adra, option 4 Ankara. The correct answer of this question is option number 2 Bamako. Next question. Next question is which of the following country has the longest overland tunnel? The options are option 1 Germany, option 2 Switzerland, option 3 Spain, option 4 France. Correct answer of this question is the option number 2 Switzerland. Next question. More than 50% of the world's coal deposits are held by option 1 USA, Russia and China, option 2 China, India and Russia, option 3 India, Russia and USA, option 4 China, India and USA. The correct answer of this question is option number 1 USA, Russia and China. Next question is which of the following is the only volcanic peak in Antarctica? Options are option 1 empty blank, option 2 empty Airbus, option 3 empty Elbrus, option 4 empty Cook. The correct answer of this question is option number 2 empty Airbus. Next question is which of the following is called the land of 1000 lakes? The options are option 1 Sweden, option 2 Greenland, option 3 USA, option 4 Finland. The correct answer of this question is option number 4 Finland. Next question. Which of the following deserts have been named after the phrase the Great Thirst? Options are option 1 Namib Desert, option 2 Mojave Desert, option 3 Kalahari Desert, option 4 Sahara Desert. The correct answer of this question is Kalahari Desert. Next question. Among the world oceans, which ocean is having the widest continental shelf? The options are option 1 Antarctic Ocean, option 2 Arctic Ocean, option 3 Indian Ocean, option 4 Atlantic Ocean. The correct answer of this question is option number 2 Arctic Ocean. Which of these straits separates Asia from Africa? The options are option 1 Malacca, option 2 Hormuz, option 3 Bab al Mandeb, option 4 Bosphorus. The correct answer is option number 3 Bab al Mandeb. Next question. The smallest island country in the Indian Ocean is. Options are option 1 Maldives, option 2 Sri Lanka, option 3 Mauritius, option 4 Madagascar. The correct answer of this question is option number 1 Maldives. Next question. Which of the following deserts has the highest gold deposits? Option 1 Kizil Desert, option 2 Gobi Desert, option 3 Mojave Desert, option 4 Tanami Desert. The correct answer of this question is option number 3 Mojave Desert. Next question. Geothermal energy is maximum utilized in. Again, geothermal energy is maximum utilized in. Options are option 1 Ireland, option 2 New Zealand, option 3 Russia, option 4 Japan. The correct answer of this question is option 1 Iceland. The given question is the world's largest island is. Option 1 Greenland, option 2 Iceland, option 3 New Guinea, option 4 Madagascar. The correct answer is option number 1 Greenland. Next question. Next question is summer rains in Australia broadly decreases from. The options are option 1 east to west, option 2 west to east, option 3 north to south, option 4 south to north. The correct answer of this question is option number 3 north to south. Next question. Next question is the driest location on earth is in which country? The options are option 1 Kenya, option 2 Chile, option 3 Congo, option 4 Libya. The correct answer of this question is option number 2 Chile. Next question. Which of the following is called Queen of the Adriatic? Option 1 Venice, option 2 Rome, option 3 Flanders, option 4 Lisbon. The correct answer of this question is Venice, option number 1. Given question is which one of the following cities of Iraq is located on Tigris River? Option 1 Baghdad, option 2 Mosul, option 3 Kirkuk, option 4 Basra. The correct answer of this question is option number 1 Baghdad. Next question is what is the name of grasslands of Southern Africa? The options are option 1 Savannah, option 2 Pampas, option 3 Vales, option 4 Prairies. The correct answer is option number 3 Vales. Next question. The question is which country is known as land of midnight sun? The options are option 1 Sweden, option 2 Norway, option 3 Germany. Option 4, Finland. The correct answer of this question is option number 2, Norway. Next question. Next question is Barren Island is located in which of the following country? Option 1, Italy. Option 2, Australia. Option 3, India. Option 4, Pakistan. The correct answer of this question is option number 3, India. Barren Island is located in India. Next question. Question is the country whose 40% of area is below sea level at high tide is dash. Options are option 1, Denmark. Option 2, Norway. Option 3, Finland. Option 4, the Netherlands. The correct answer of this question is option number 4, the Netherlands. Next question. India is developing Chabahar port in which of the following country? Options are option 1, Iraq. Option 2, Oman. Option 3, Iran. Option 4, Afghanistan. The correct answer of this question is option number 3, Iran. Next question. Question is what is the name of the deadly volcano in Indonesia that erupted again in May 2016? The options are option 1, Mount Singabong. Option 2, Mount Merapi. Option 3, Mount Rinjani. Option 4, Mount Agung. The correct answer of this question is option number 1, Mount Singabong. Next question. Question is name the largest desert of Asia. The options are option 1, Thar. Option 2, Gobi. Option 3, Taklamakan. Option 4, Karakum. The correct answer of this question is option number 2, Gobi. Next question. Question is Amazon river flows through which of the following country? Again, Amazon river flows through which of the following country? Option 1, USA. Option 2, France. Option 3, Brazil. Option 4, Canada. The correct answer of this question is option number 3, Brazil. Next question. Question is which of the following is river the longest river of Myanmar? Option 1, Irrawaddy river. Option 2, Chinduin. Option 3, Sitaung. Option 4, Thanluin. The correct answer of this question is option number 1, Irrawaddy river. Next question. Question is which is the largest inhabited riverine island in the world? Option 1, Millennia. Option 2, Millennia. Option 3, Millennia. Option 4, Millennia. The correct answer of this question is option number 1, Millennia. Next question. Next question is Dast-e-Kavir desert is located in which country? Option 1, Iran. Option 2, Saudi Arab. Option 3, Iraq. Option 4, Sudan. The correct answer of this question is option number 1, Iran. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel.